How to add friends on your Duolingo account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to add your friends on your Duolingo account. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Duolingo application on your device and make sure you are signed in. And now tap on the three dots you see on the bottom of your screen and further tap on the profile option. In the interface that you will be led to, you will see the button for Add Friends. Tap on that to add friends. You can either search for their name or username in the search bar you see there, or you can tap on the Find Contacts option and further enter their phone number and search for them and add them. Or you can tap on the Invite Friends button and invite them via text message. And you can also tap on the More Options button and invite friends through various social media platforms. And this is how you can add friends on your Duolingo account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and to subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.